Here it is. This is the Belle Bar Organics Hair Growth Kit. Look, it's in the $5 box. This box is free for the first order. Then you get regular boxes, regular white. If you want the purity green box, you have to pay $5. But I guess I got it free with the growth kit. So this package came just as I was heading out to go get in the parent pickup line. So here I am in the car. This kit came with an e-course, and it's part of a hair growth challenge. A 60-day hair growth challenge that I joined on the Belle Bar site. Oh, here it is. Open. Here are the instructions. Ooh, samples. Chebe powder. What else is in there? Oh, the rice water. I wanted to try that. That's kind of a new product they have. Ooh, this is for making the tea. This is a tea bag. And a little mixer spoon. What else is in here? Excuse me, I only have two hands here. Let's see. The green tea. Oh, you guys, let me get this open. Oh, I didn't have oil. Broken or not broken? I've seen people complaining about broken ones, not broken. Hold on, I'm gonna need two hands, so I'm gonna turn you off while I get these open. Okay, here it is. I cannot believe I have all this. You guys, I use Christmas money, otherwise there's no way I'd spend like this on myself. I got the fenugreek kit because I already have henna. So this is a fenugreek. This is something that you use once a month, every 4 to 6 weeks. It's a strengthening treatment. All of these are something that you have to mix. So, except for the oil, and I think the argan oil. This is a tea, the green tea. It's a strengthening tea that you use 2 to 3 times a week to strengthen your hair. And you use this with water. You steep it in water. The rest, you put in a moisturizing conditioner and mix it up. Oh wait, not this one. I have to figure out how to make this. This is the moisturizing hair cleanser. So I'll use this once a week, I think, and the other, I wash twice a week. So I'll use this once, and then the other time I'll probably co-wash. I don't know how to make that yet. This is the fenugreek, once a month. This is hibiscus. This is a moisturizing treatment you put in with the moisturizing conditioner, and this will be used once a week. What is this? Oh, 2 argan oils. These are both argan oils. These are to seal in your moisture. Once you put in your leave-in, you put this on the ends of your hair, and it keeps the moisture in. 2 of those. This onion and garlic oil. You can use this, I'll probably use twice a week. You can use 2 to 3 times a week. You put it on your scalp and to massage your scalp. It's for hair thickening. And you can also use it to seal moisture as well. 2 of those. And green tea. So, the challenge starts on the 18th. I'm here for it. I'm so excited. It's a 60-day challenge. I don't know how much growth I'm going to have in 60 days, if it's even going to be noticeable. My hair is so curly. It takes so long to notice a difference in mine. But I will continue past that for as long as I have these products. Maybe I'll even replace as I go. It's not like buying the whole thing at once. So watch for me. I'll probably video my challenge results and probably the process as I go through. I am so excited. Stay tuned. Oh, hit the subscribe button and the bell, the notification bell, so we don't miss each other when I put up my next video. Bye.